when I started searching, it took me a while to really come up with the level of character that you represent. You represent the best in the industry. And I've heard you set the goals yourself. You have the reputation, the resourcefulness, and the experience to help this country. It's a call to duty to all of you. I believe I have the best that industry can offer to the rest of the world. The search was done with critical inquiries and level of intellectual curiosity that brought about today's date. I am very, very proud. I've reviewed when I took over, it was and make changes, it was a big cane. I stopped reading papers and find it very, very difficult to even listen to news sometimes with level of criticism and pressure on me on the reform. Today, I believe Nigeria has come of age. Nigeria is becoming more competitive. Nigeria has turned the corner. And with your team, a very highly respected group of people, I'm sure I can relax, I can watch the news now, I can read the news. So therefore, it is my honor to now label you as inaugurated. Thank you for accepting. Thank you for accepting to serve your country, our country. The challenge is for all of us, because the volatility of decisions across the world the signal coming from America and the rest of world leaders is challenging us to carry our burden, to look inwards and believe in ourselves. And you represent a great deal of credit to the industry in the private sector. So you are now in the public sector to do it for your country, transparently, and exploit all options. That will be a win-win situation for Nigeria. I'm just too proud of this morning and believe that you will achieve the success. Nigeria has come of age. It's a golden age for us. We find you accepted. I thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much. We'll now proceed.